Beasain is a town located 30 minutes from San Sebastian, capital of Gipuzkoa. Beasain is a town with 14,000 people. Of those 14,000, 1,560 are immigrants.
Nik emigrau nun Portugaletik, honea, Espainia eta Erumania emigrau nun, baina guain hemen bizi naiz. Espainia. Bai, kotxez etorri nintzen. Nire gurasok emigrau zutelako, baina kausa nagusina dirugatik. Osa, economical reasoningatik. Oportunitate gehiago daulako hemen eta hobeto irabazten dalako. Supongo idala kausa nagusina. Oso diferentea da eta nire espektativa guztik kumplitu zituen. Bi kausa ona etortzea, pues, diru asko irabaziala hemen. Pues, uste klima eta hori baita askoz hobegoa da hemengoa. Bi kausa negatibo, Portugaleko gauzak utzi eta kultura utzi bara izan deterako. Eta familia baita.
The protocols that are followed when an immigrant comes to our town is the same as with a person from here. But the immigrants are asked about if they know the town, what language they can speak, understand, and which is their town language. After a few months living in Beasain, the town hall receives them with a receipt and teaches them about the establishments such as the school, the ambulatory, and also they are asked about what they miss about the establishments. The difference between illegal and legal immigrants are that the illegal one can't have a house, so they have to live with somebody that can have it. If they are legal, the city hall helps them find a job if they don't have one.
The nationality changes according to where they are from. If they live in Hendaye and are European, there is no problem. But if, for example, they are Syrian and they are illegal immigrants, there they might have problems. For the municipal population register, it doesn't matter if they are legal or illegal immigrants. It does not matter who they are. If they have documentation and a place to live in, they register them in the population of the municipality. If they don't have papers, they have difficulties. Minors must have their parents' documentation. The youngs below 18 come because they have a reference or someone who has already come. Older immigrants, once they have found a job and have become independent, they have brought their families.